Welcome to VirajeTech online training platform. We offer expert-led courses designed to upskill professionals and students. Learn at your own pace with interactive content, hands-on projects, and real-world applications. Start your journey to success with VirajeTech today. In today's video, we begin our journey into the world of Java programming, one of the most powerful and widely used languages in the world. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It's now maintained by Oracle and used in everything from mobile apps to enterprise systems. Why learn Java? Platform independent, write once, run anywhere, JVM. Object-oriented, clean, reusable code. Secure and robust, ideal for enterprise apps. What will you learn in this course? This course by VirajeTech will cover everything you need to become a Java pro, from basics to advanced concepts. Topics covered: Java syntax and variables, object-oriented programming (OP), exception handling, collections and frameworks, JDBC and file handling. For more in-depth knowledge on Java, make sure to follow, like and subscribe to VirajeTech's online training platform.
The today's sessions. So here what we are going to do, we are using the scanner classes. It is available in the java.util package. We are importing because on the runtime we want to provide the input. So we have a class y, inside that we have a main method. So first statement, we want to make sure that our program is executing or not. So we are providing was sysout. Then, as we know, to handling the exception, to handling the abnormal situation, we are providing the try catch. So try will take a statement. So if any abnormal situation will occur on the statement, so we are handling by the try, and catch, there we are catching the exception. If any abnormal situation will occur, we are handling by the catch. So try catch, by the try catch we are handling the abnormal situation. So in the try we are providing the statement, in the catch we are providing the exception, which exception we are handling. Okay, so as if now if I will see this, so here int I equal to 10 upon 0. So 10 upon 0 means 1 upon 0, it's a arithmetic exception. So what we want to do, if we are not providing the try catch, then our program will terminate it here due to arithmetic exception. To continue our execution of the program, we will provide the try catch. In the catch we are handling the exception, arithmetic exception. So what will happen once we are handling with the try catch, this statement will execute, then it will come to here, we are handling the arithmetic exception. So this is the object for the arithmetic exception. Now what is happening, this statement also will execute. Then again in the catch statement there is a one more condition, int I equal to 20 upon 0. So what it is again abnormal situation. So inside the catch also we can use the try catch. As if now what will happen, our program will come here and it will terminate it from here, and this statement won't execute, and it will directly come to the finally block. We know whenever finally block is there, finally block always will be executed, no matter catch statement will execute or not, but finally statement will be executed. So what will happen, it will come here and it will print this. Okay, that will happen, So let's run this program. So you look there, one is print, then one is print, then three will print. Okay, because here abnormal situation will occur, then so it will come to the exception part. So 3 will print, then this statement again abnormal situation occur, then it will directly come to the finally statement 5. Okay, 1 1 3 5. Okay, it will handle. So here it is. So what will happen here? It is failing. Okay, here it is failing. So arithmetic exception will come here. Okay, arithmetic exception will come here. So that's why other things won't come. Okay, see what is happening here. Abnormal situation occur. Then it will directly come to the catch statement. Okay, this is not executing. Once it is coming the catch, so here this will print, then again exception occur by this statement, then it directly go to the finally. Okay, then in the finally this statement will execute. That's it. Then after that it is got terminated by this arithmetic exception. Okay, let's come to the another example. So here we have a main method, then we are just going inside the main method and we provided one sysout. Then in the try we are handling the statement, then we are printing this. Then system.exit. Exit is one of the method. Whenever it is coming, your program got terminated and it is coming out from the JVM. So what will happen whenever system.exit? So in this scenario, this statement won't execute. No catch statement won't execute. No finally statement won't execute. No system.out.println won't execute. Whenever exit means you are coming out from the JVM. So nothing will execute. So it is the interview questions. When finally block won't execute, whenever we are using the system.exit method, whenever we are using the system.exit, inside that 0 we are passing, whenever we are using the system.exit, then our finally block won't execute. So 1 and 2 it will print. Let's come to another examples. You have a class A. There is a one method, that method name is test. It's the int return type. So here you are passing the parameter boolean. So this parameter name is flag. So this method return type is int. So it is returning the 1000. Then you have another method test1, that return type is int. It is also parameter is boolean and flag is the parameter name. So here what you are doing, if flag true, if flag true, so here nothing you are defining means flag. So flag, why we are giving this condition, it means if true then return 10, else return 20. Okay, then you have a test4 method. It is the int primitive data type. There also parameter is there, boolean parameter is there. If flag true, return 10, otherwise 20. Okay, same thing you are doing test6 method. Okay, so if flag true, then return nothing, here nothing, no statement, else return 20, otherwise return 0. Okay, so what will happen if you will run this kind of the program? So this is a something like a util class. So here no main method, so you cannot execute this, but this is the util class. You can use these methods, you can use these methods. Okay, there is no compiler error, you can keep. So your method name always is a different, your method name always is a different. Okay, you can create a method. Now we are coming here. So here what we are doing, Okay, will come later this program. Now you have a class B. Okay, you have a class B. Then there is a test method. It's a int primitive data type. So this test method is accepting the string parameter s1. So just for understanding purpose, if any statement which has a abnormal situation, it will come under try. Okay, and whatever exception will throw, it will come under catch. So majorly, whenever the string scenario, number format exception will occur. Number format exception will occur if you are deals with the, because here int return type and you are dealing with the string. Int return type dealing with the string. If you are passing number as a string, means 100, you are passing as a string, then no issue, it will convert it in the int form, no issue. Whenever you are passing abc but you want the return type as int, then won't possible. So whenever you are dealing with the int and string, whenever you are dealing with the primitive data type and string, then number format exception will you need to handle. Okay, then test one int, then here try, then you are returning the one, some statements and returning the one, then number format exception, then return 0. Okay, so you can do like this. There is no compiler error, there is no compiler error. Test 3. Okay, this is the try. You can keep the try as a blank, you can keep the try as a blank, no issue, or you can keep the try with some statements, and you can handle the number format exception by the catch block, and you can return in the catch block 0. That also you can do, or return any numbers, that also you can do. Okay, so this method, it is returning. So what does this mean? Whatever this test 3 method, okay, it has its need return type is a int. So that return type, okay, any if try is there and exception is coming, then this catch will come. So here it will get a return 0. So that's why this method will get 0. Otherwise, if it is otherwise, by default it will take a return 500 once coming out, return 500. Okay, so here test 5. So try, there you are returning the 20 number format exception. Okay, and here you are returning the 30. Okay, once you are coming out from the try catch, everything you can do. So this is the various way. So let's look at again. This is the test method, return type is int. So means this test method should want some return type, and you are passing the string parameter. So what is happening? Let's understand. We can keep the try with the submit statements, and we can keep the catch with the number format exception. I am not returning any statement here, I am not returning any statement here, but our test method should want some return type. So explicitly we can define the return type as 20 or something value. Then another method test one. So in the try also we can return some value, and in the catch also we can return some value. You can make it as a 0 also, you can do. Okay, no problem. In the test 3, in the try you can keep some statement, in the catch you can return 0, because test 3 wants some return type int. Once you coming out, then you are returning the 500. Okay, same thing here. Test 5, in the try returning is 20. Whenever you are coming out from the catch you can keep as a blank, and outside you can return again 20, 30 or something value you can do. If you want to check, okay, all methods output, what you should do, just keep here main method. So now all methods should want some string parameter. So here I can pass as a 10. Okay, string parameter. So what can I do? Like this, I can pass. Okay, I can pass here Arjun. Why? So that catch also we can see. Then pass here Jack and pass here some numbers 30. If you will look this, what will happen? Run. See 20, 100, 520. So less analysis. We will put the debug and let's run in the debug mode. Debug as debug configuration, debug. Okay, we are coming here, going to F6. Sorry, we need to put it the breakpoints each method. F6. So now test1 method is calling. Okay, look at here. Test1 method is calling string. What is the S1? Arjun. So what will happen here once it is coming? So there is no statement. So what is happening? S1 you are passing but no statement as if now. So it will return here 1. Okay, it is written here 1. F6. So now what it will print? See here 1. Okay, it don't go. If there is a no statement, no statement means it won't go the catch, because when it will go for catch, whenever something wrong statement is there. Okay, if there is no wrong statement, it won't go the. Then now I'm going to the test3 method. Okay, if we will go the test3, see here Jack, again no statement is there, so it won't go in the catch. Outside is 500, so it will print 500. Now 30. So what will happen? 30 will come, try, so return 20. So what is happening? It There is a no exception, so it won't go in the catch. Then what will happen? It will coming out, and coming out is 30. Okay, so here it is printing 20. Okay, why? Reason is what? Already this method was one return, so one return is coming here. Okay, if you not understanding, then again we'll saw. Okay, debug as Java application 10. So F6, this is the test method we'll call. S1 is 10. Okay, so S1 is 10, so there is no statement, so nothing will happen here. Catch also it won't go, nothing will happen. Return 20, so first statement is returning 20. Okay, then it will go test1 method. Then once is will go test1 method. So here S1 is Arjun, but there is no statement. So return 1. So already test method got 1 return. It will coming out. Then 1 will print. Then check. You are going inside the check method. So here check. No statement. If no statement, no catch, then it will directly come out from this. So 500. 500 will print. Then 30. So it will go here and try is returning 20 inside this 20. It so one return, then it is coming out. So 20 will come. Okay. So what is happening whenever in the try there is no abnormal situation, it won't go in the catch block. When it will go in the catch block, whenever some abnormal situation is here. So what we can do, we can write here int I equal to, okay, s1. So integer dot parse int pass s1. So test 3 we will got something exception. Okay, now again run debug as java application. So look at here, now test 3. Now look at test 3. See, s1 is what, jack won't convert in the I. So what will happen, it will go to the catch. So in the catch number format exception, it return 0. So this time 500 won't come, it will display 0. See here, it will display 0. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then another. So here you have a test method, test1 method. This is the int return type. There is a one try. One try can have a multiple catch statement. Each catch statement will handle only the one exception. Each statement will handle one exception. So this catch will handle the null pointer exception. This catch will handle the arithmetic exception. If nothing is there, then return 20. So at last return 20. This test2 method, there is a try, and this try is returning 10. It is also has a multiple catch statement. Then there is a test4, null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, both is there, and it is also returning test6. So now, as we did the last time, same thing you can do here. See, test1, test2, test4, test6. Test1, test2, test 4, test 6. In this time, you are not passing any argument in the test method. No argument. So remove. Once you remove, then put it some debug. So what will happen? C1 test1 method will execute. It will go test1. So there is no statement. Then null pointer exception won't come, catch also won't come. It will return 20. Then in the test2 scenario, no statement. Then if there is a no abnormal situation, then it will return 10. Test4 scenario, there is no statement. It won't go in the catch. It will return the 300. Test 6 scenario, there is no statement. In the catch also nothing is there, but no statement, then nothing will come here. It will return 1000. Okay. So when catch statement will occur? Whenever some abnormal situation is there, then only will occur. Yes, tell Priya. So one more time. See here in this program. Okay. So there is a in the y class. If you look, there is a no test method. Only just main method is available. Okay. So whenever unwanted situation will occur, it will go in the catch and it will reflect based on their exception. So in this scenario, what is happening? This method will call, it will throw the exception here, and it mentioned this one also. So that's it for the